Uses. Used by flip butterfly knife enthusiast or if you just like to barbecue grill, camping trips, picnics. Easy to use. Flip open your Caliber Gourmet Butterfly Knife style spoon and with the flick of your wrist, show off those butterfly flipping skills to entertain and impress your friends. Design warranty. Designed to look and behave just like a butterfly knife while being safe, it comes with a convenient latch for securing the blade in the open or closed position. 1-year warranty. Great gift. For camping, holidays, housewarming, Valentine's Day, Father's Day gift for dad, wedding, Christmas, birthday, Thanksgiving or Halloween. Package. Includes 1 butterfly knife style spoon as shown in the pictures and gift box. Used. Used by flip butterfly knife enthusiast or if you just like to barbecue grill, camping grill, our flip spoon and fork works for both screw types and pop-top bottles. Top reviews from the United States. Great for fidgeters, spins, works great. My son asked for one of these for Christmas. It has not been put down since. I was a little apprehensive of getting this due it resembling a switchblade, so I opted for the spoon style. I am so glad I did. It was his favorite gift. He has not put it down. Some reviews said the spoon did not work as well or broke. It feels well made to me anyway. Nice weight and made out of metal. This works fantastic and has held up to non-stop spinning the last 2 days. It also came in a nice box. Would definitely buy again if he does wears it out.